Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 3, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to compare length of object by aligning endpoints. So looking at this, we have glue and juice. And the endpoint, aligning it to the endpoint, is this black line that we have right here. And the endpoint is to where we know that we are measuring it fairly, to making sure that they both have that starting point to both start at, to where we can see exactly which one is longer and which one is shorter. So we have two options. A, it says the glue is shorter than the juice box, or B, the glue is longer than the juice box. So we know shorter means kind of like smaller. Longer means that it's bigger. So looking at this, the juice box ends around here. So looking at this, we know that the juice box is longer. But first we have to look at the glue, because it says the glue is first. The glue is shorter than the juice box, or the glue is longer than the juice box. So we need to start by looking at the glue. Well, this is where the glue starts on this purple line. Well, the juice goes further than that purple line. So we know that the glue is actually shorter, it's smaller than the juice box. So the glue is shorter than the juice box. So it's A. Now, let's look at this piece. We have pencil A, pencil B, and pencil C. So looking at this, we can see that we're going to put these from longest to shortest. From shortest to longest. So the first one needs to be the shortest, and the last one needs to be the longest. Well, we know for sure that A is the shortest, because we can see that one is pretty small. And we can tell for sure that B is the longest, because of how long it is. So C must be in the middle. So pencil blank is the longest. We know that pencil B is the longest, and pencil A is the shortest. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.